Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendra Luvs. For those who are new, but for those who are back, welcome back to my channel, guys. It is Halloween season. Woo! I'm super excited. This is my favorite season of all besides Christmas. But for today's video, I will be doing some cute little 5-minute treats that you guys can easily do for Halloween, because why not? So if you guys want to see the treats that I make, then you guys can keep on watching. So we are going to make these little Rice Krispie treats. I'm probably gonna put them right here, or probably in the screen. You're gonna see a picture of what we're gonna make today. But with that, we're gonna need 6 ingredients. You guys are gonna need 1 full box of Rice Krispie treats. You guys are gonna need butter, and then you guys are gonna need the Tootsie Rolls, and then you guys are gonna need marshmallows. And then you're gonna need yellow and red food coloring. But if you have orange food coloring, that works too, because that's the point. We're trying to make orange. But in my store, there wasn't any orange, so I got what makes orange. So yeah. So I think what the first thing we're going to do is portionize our portions, because I have my recipe right here. So the first thing that we need to do is get 6 cups of Rice Krispies. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. And then we are going to just basically fill it up. So here's 1 cup. That's 6 right there. So then after that, we are going to get 3 tablespoons of butter. So we're gonna cut 3 tablespoons of butter, because luckily it comes already like saying like how much we need to cut. We need 12 ounces of marshmallows, but that's literally the whole bag. Literally the whole bag. So you just need a whole bag of marshmallows. And then you need 12 Tootsie Rolls, but we have to cut them in half. So basically what we're gonna do is just basically get 6 Tootsie Rolls and then cut them in half to make 12, because the Tootsie Rolls are gonna be the stem of the pumpkin, because we're gonna make little pumpkins. And I'm gonna try to link down the recipe so you guys can follow it and get like all the ingredients if you guys want to make it. But we are going to just open those 12 Tootsie Rolls. But what are you guys gonna be for Halloween? I'm gonna be a mummy for Halloween. So I'm excited about that. And just cut it half. So we're gonna do, I use the same knife because like, I mean, why not? But if you wanna use a different knife, you can by all means. But I'm using the same knife. I'm cutting it into little like blocks, so it looks like the stem of the pumpkin. Ooh, period. Okay, I'm gonna try to show you guys without like putting it. So then the next step is we're going to the stove, and then we are going to put in a pan our butter and melt it until like it's like watery consistency. And then you dump all your marshmallows in, and then you just keep stirring them, and you keep like meshing them into like the butter, so like it could like dissolve into like the right consistency that you want. After you are done with the melting part, you are going to remove it from the stove, and then you are going to put 4 drops of red food coloring and then 2 drops of yellow food coloring. Now with me, I thought it wasn't orangey enough, so I kept adding yellow food coloring as I went on until I got an orange consistency. But somehow I still didn't get like that much of a bright orange, which I'm really bummed about. But I didn't realize until after, when it was too late. But that's okay, because it still ended up looking like a pumpkin at the end, sorta. And then you mix the Rice Krispies. Now I was having a bit of a trouble with it because I didn't know whether it was working or not. So I had to like remove it from the pan. But then when I removed it from the pan into like a bigger pan, into like a bigger plate, it ended up not working. But then I was able to fix it because I just needed to let the Rice Krispie dry. So then after, you could start forming the balls like you get a group, like you get a section of the Rice Krispies, and then you form it by rolling it with your hands. You can use your hands, you can use another object. I used my hands because it was easier and faster. And then I got a pumpkin shape. So here are the results. Now they kind of look, no, they look like pumpkins. They're just more bigger than some are more bigger than like others, but that's okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put the stems on them before they get a little bit too like dry. So let's just add that. It might not like be that perfect to like an amazing treat, like if this is your first time, because this is my first time like baking and stuff. I'm not that good, but I just wanted to do it because, you know what, it's a fun way to be festive during the holidays, like during Halloween, because during this whole pandemic, you gotta make the most of it. You gotta make the most out of things. This is our cute little pumpkins. All right, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I'm not that good in baking, nor do you need to be good in baking to be able to do this. Literally, it takes like so quick amount of time. Yeah, it's a little stressful to keep mixing and stuff, but honestly, the result is cute, and it's just something really cute to have. Like, you can make these with your friends. You can make, like, as long as you be festive and as long as you make memories, that's all that matters, because it's important to be festive during the Halloween season. So thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy watching it. Leave a comment down below of any more videos you guys want to see on my channel, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.